Today I'm going to be doing a special video of my new voice evac system. And no, I do not have a voice evac panel, but I wired up these two speaker strobes to an amplifier, which goes, I downloaded a voice evac signal, and it just gives a signal to the amplifier, which gives a voice evac signal. And I do not have this strobe hooked up because it did not come with a back plate, and I can't put the wires on the little strobe connectors on the back without the back plate. But I did hook up the horn. And then I have the strobe hooked up on this one. It's hooked up, the white wire is hooked up straight to the NAC on the panel, and I have all the other notification appliances undone so they don't go off. So this works by when I start the voice evac simulation thing, when I start it, this will start playing, but the panel only will activate the strobe. But I can activate this without activating the panel. So if I pull it and then activate this at the same time, it'll be just like, the strobe will start flashing at the exact same time that the signal starts sounding. And this white cable is just the power to this. And I can change the volume on the side of it. So yeah, here we go. That's what it sounds like. This is a simplex voice evac message.
An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
And now I'm going to acknowledge the panel. And this will do a full cycle. Or actually 10 cycles.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported.
And these are the amplifiers from speaker strobes. I'm not using them now.
Walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator.
And this is all the weather-ready back box. And I can just silence it
Attention.
by turning off the amplifier like that. And I can unsilence it.
Has been reported.
Let's turn that back
Walk
on.
to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby.
It's
Do not
actually
use the
on the
elevator.
voice evac system if you
Walk
have
to
the
the
amplifier
nearest
coming up
stairway.
all the way.
Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
These strobes will sound 1575. I can silence it. So yeah, reset the panel. And now it's all normal again. I hate this NAC bolt. So yeah, I think I'll do it one more time. Here we go.
Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
And this is a simplex voice evac
Attention.
signal.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit
And I can turn on
walk
this
down
little
to your
switch right here,
re-entry floor or main lobby.
which makes it sound
Do
really
not
loud.
use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the
And
nearest
if you unplug the wall, the voice evac will go out, but the panel will keep on flashing, or the strobes will keep on going, but the amplifier loses power. If you plug it back in, it'll start still again. You can put a 9-volt battery in the amplifier, but I don't have a 9-volt battery right now. But if you put a 9-volt battery in, technically we'd all have battery backup. And this strobe isn't hooked up. And that's a full cycle. So I can do that. So yeah. So it's silenced. So yeah, I only have one strobe hooked up, which is too bad, but technically I could hook up the other strobe, but I know the wires could come off and it would risk blowing my other neck, which then the panel would kind of be useless. So I can reset this panel. And then I'll explain how I put this together. So, for this video, I put it on a little table right here. It was just on the ground. This is just a little amplifier. There's a 9-volt plug on it. The input, which takes a big, I don't know what you call it, but those bigger audio connectors. I have a little adapter, which goes down to the laptop, which is making the signal, and then it amplifies it in here, and it goes out this thing, which it used to be a right and a left speaker plug, like a red and yellow one of these for speakers, but I cut those off, and I put I soldered these wires on, and wait 1 second. This back plate's hard to get off. Okay, so I have the back plate off, and you can see the wire just goes directly to this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little speaker sign there. And that goes to the speaker, and those go to the strobe. And on the speaker, you can see I'm bypassing this amplifier because I have this one, which is better. So I just took them out. These two right there, the two dials. Plus those amplifiers were meant for 25 or 70 volts, and this thing's like 5 volts. But it still works with the actual speakers. So I took it out, and just this wire, that's where the plugs into the back plate, and it just goes directly into the two plugs for the speaker. That's just a speaker. And technically you could play music or anything you wanted out of this. Like I was experimenting on playing games, and it sounded really cool. So yeah, and this is an alert strobe. This is a model SPSW alert. And then I completely forget the model number and have it screwed down so I can't look at it. So yeah, that's basically it. And if you couldn't tell, the speaker on this was a little bit quieter for some reason, but it was going. Yeah. I have some of the 2 fire extinguishers. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Let's just do it one more time. Okay, let's do it. So first, let's do that.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest
And then if I want to re-alarm,
entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
that's it. So, yeah, that's all of it. And then I can go ahead and reset the channel. You can see the NAC is disconnected and I just have the white wire going down to the strobe. So, yeah. And the next system test, I think it'll be 4 or 5, I forget. Will be out very soon, maybe even like this week. So yeah. Oh, and I have this little key box right now. I don't think I have anything in it. Oh, I have a Firelight key. And my little jumper. That's what I use for individually testing a zone. So yeah. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. And if you want, leave a comment. Bye.